What's sizzling in the tech world? We've got a massive stock sell-off from an AMD EVP, a huge institutional buy from Strs Ohio, a new stake from Rollins Financial Advisors, and a surprising downgrade for Advanced Micro Devices. Don't miss a beat, stick around. First up, Advanced Micro Devices EVP Forrest Eugene Norrod has made a significant move, selling over $2.7 million in AMD stock. We're diving deep into why this EVP is divesting and what it could mean for the chip giant. Then, get ready for some big money moves. Strs Ohio just snapped up over 490,000 shares of Advanced Micro Devices, signaling serious confidence. And that's not all. Rollins Financial Advisors is also taking a new position in AMD, showing a growing interest from major players. But wait, there's a twist. Erste Group Bank has just lowered its rating on Advanced Micro Devices, shifting from a buy to a hold. What's behind this change of heart, and what does it mean for investors? All that and more, right here on Qualcomm Pulse. Subscribe and hit that bell. AMD EVP Forrest Eugene Norrod sells millions in stock. Did Advanced Micro Devices EVP Forrest Eugene Norrod just signal a shift? He offloaded a staggering $2,767,996 worth of AMD stock, selling 17,200 shares at an average price of $160.93. This move leaves him with over 313,000 shares, but represents a notable 5.2% decrease in his holdings. This significant transaction comes as AMD's stock hovers around the $158 mark, with a market cap exceeding $257 billion. While the company recently reported strong revenue growth of 31.7% year-over-year and posted 48 cents earnings per share, missing analyst estimates by 6 cents, the market is keenly watching every move. Institutional investors like Norrod Bank and Goldman Sachs Group Inc. have recently increased their stakes, signaling underlying confidence in AMD's long-term prospects, even as top analysts suggest other stocks might offer better immediate opportunities. Investors are buzzing, with discussions ranging from the implications of executive stock sales to the broader semiconductor market trends. Some see it as a routine portfolio adjustment, while others are looking for deeper reasons behind such a substantial divestment. But is this a sign of caution, or just business as usual for AMD? Stay tuned as we break down the latest analyst ratings that are shaking up the market. Strs Ohio and Rollins Financial Advisors make major AMD investments. Big money is flowing into Advanced Micro Devices. Strs Ohio has made a substantial investment, purchasing 492,342 shares valued at approximately $50.6 million. This significant acquisition signals strong institutional belief in AMD's future. Adding to the momentum, Rollins Financial Advisors has also initiated a new position, acquiring 2,167 shares worth around $223,000. These moves come amidst a period of dynamic market activity for AMD, with various institutional investors, including Goldman Sachs Group Inc. and T. Rowe Price Investment Management Inc., significantly increasing their stakes. Despite recent insider selling by executives like Forrest Eugene Norrod and Lisa T. Su, the influx of new capital from firms like Strs Ohio and Rollins Financial Advisors suggests a robust appetite for AMD stock. The market is reacting with keen interest, with many watching to see how these substantial investments will impact AMD's stock performance, especially in light of recent earnings reports and analyst sentiment. These major investments paint a bullish picture, but not everyone is convinced. Next up, we'll reveal which analyst just downgraded AMD, sending shockwaves through the market. Rollins Financial Advisors LLC takes new position in Advanced Micro Devices. Rollins Financial Advisors LLC has just entered the arena, acquiring a new position in Advanced Micro Devices, Inc. This strategic move involved purchasing 2,167 shares, valued at approximately $223,000, marking a fresh investment from the advisory firm. This latest investment by Rollins Financial Advisors adds another layer to the complex investor landscape surrounding AMD. It follows significant capital injections from other major players, including Strs Ohio, which recently bought over 492,000 shares. Furthermore, institutional heavyweights like Goldman Sachs Group Inc., T. Rowe Price Investment Management Inc., and Toronto-Dominion Bank have substantially increased their stakes in recent quarters. Despite some insider selling, the consistent inflow of funds from institutional investors highlights a strong underlying confidence in AMD's market position and future growth. This influx of institutional capital is a key talking point among analysts and investors, who are weighing the long-term implications against recent executive sales and market fluctuations. With so many big players betting on AMD, is the sky truly the limit? Get ready for a surprising analyst downgrade that's putting advanced micro devices back in the spotlight. Erste Group Bank downgrades advanced micro devices to hold. In a significant shift, Erste Group Bank has downgraded advanced micro devices, AMD, from a buy rating to a hold rating, impacting the semiconductor giant's market perception. This downgrade comes as AMD navigates a complex market, with recent earnings showing a 31.7% year-over-year revenue increase, but missing EPS estimates. The stock, trading around $158, has seen considerable institutional activity, including substantial buys from Strs Ohio and Rollins financial advisors, and increased stakes from firms like Vanguard Group Inc. And State Street Corp, however, analyst sentiment is mixed, with various reports offering different outlooks, ranging from strong buy to hold and sell. Erste Group Bank's decision adds a new perspective to the ongoing debate about AMD's valuation and future performance. The market is reacting to this mixed analyst sentiment, with investors closely watching how this downgrade will influence trading patterns and AMD's stock trajectory. From major investments to surprising downgrades, the tech world never stops. But what's next for AMD and the semiconductor industry? We'll recap all the biggest moves and give you the full picture. And that's a wrap on today's Qualcomm Pulse. We saw EVP Forrest Eugene Norrod sell over $2.7 million in AMD stock, Strs, Ohio, and Rollins financial advisors make significant new investments in AMD, and Erste Group Bank downgrade advanced micro devices to a hold. Don't miss out on the next big tech stories. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, ring that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms.